I hope you'll be able to use AI to build exciting and valuable projects, either for yourself or for your company, and make life better, both for yourself and for others. Along the way, I hope you also manage to avoid some of the pitfalls I've seen some AI teams fall into. Let's go over 5 don'ts and do's for if you're trying to build AI for your company. First one, don't expect AI to solve everything. You already know that AI can do a lot, but there's also a lot that AI cannot do. Instead, you should be realistic about what AI can and cannot do, given limitations of technology, data, and engineering resources. That's why I think technical diligence, in addition to business diligence, is important for selecting feasible and valuable AI projects. Second, don't just hire 2 or 3 machine learning engineers and count solely on them to come up with use cases for your company. Machine learning engineers are a scarce resource, but you should instead pair the engineering talents with business talent and work cross-functionally to find feasible and valuable projects. It is often the combination of the machine learning talent with the business talent that can select the most valuable and feasible projects. Third, don't expect the AI project to work the first time. As you've already seen, AI development is often an iterative process, so you should plan for it to be an iterative process with multiple attempts needed to succeed. Fourth, don't expect traditional planning processes to apply without changes. Instead, you should work with the AI team to establish timeline estimates, milestones, KPIs, or metrics that do make sense. The types of timeline estimates, milestones, and KPIs or metrics associated with AI projects are a bit different than the same things associated with non-AI projects. So hopefully working with some individuals knowledgeable about AI can help you come up with better ways of planning AI projects. Finally, don't think you need superstar AI engineers before you can do anything. Instead, keep building the team and get going with the team you have, realizing that there are many AI engineers in the world today, including many that have learned primarily from online courses that can do a great job building valuable and feasible projects. If you can avoid these AI pitfalls, you'll already be ahead of the game compared to many other companies. The important thing is to get started. Your second AI project will be better than your first. Your third AI project will be better than your second. So the important thing is to get started and to attempt your first AI project. In the final video for this week, I want to share with you some concrete first steps you can take in AI. Let's go on to the next video.